Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at home. You might have seen the news that the schools have reopened for classes 9 to 12 standard. In our school also, we have started the schooling for class 9 to 12 standard students, and very soon, maybe in the next month, our classes 5th to 8th will commence. So you should be ready for coming to school. We are missing you all. I hope that you too all are missing your teachers and the school. So you will be most welcome. We have sanitized all the rooms of our school with the fogger machine. We have thermal scanner gun to check your thermometer temperature. Even we have also made arrangement of oximeter to check your oxygen level in the blood. And even we have conducted the test of COVID-19 of all the staff members, teaching and non-teaching. Until today, 23 staff members of our schools have been tested and they are all safe. So you should not have any kind of tension to attend the schools maybe in the next month. Okay, till that time we will be continuing with our online teaching. So today we are starting of the second term unit 3 of English, the plate of gold. Okay, so today we will be doing warming up of this and then we will start tomorrow the actual poem. So the stories you might have listened many stories from the teachers or read the stories from the book also. But whenever any story is narrated in the poem, then this is called narrative poem. Okay, the story in the poem is called as a narrative poem. So such narrative poems will be enjoyed by one and all, but one thing is certain, that these poems doesn't have a rhythmic pattern. For example, sometimes in some of the poems we find the rhyming words on the second and fourth line or the first and third line. In this way there are some words rhyming with the next word of the fourth or second line, and that we call rhyming words in the poem. So rhyming words give us rhythm to the poem, we can sing nicely. But the poems which are narrative, they are not written in the rhyming words format, they are written in free verse. Means those lines doesn't have the rhyming words at the end of the lines. Means you will not find any word rhyming from first to third line, or second line's last word and the fourth line's last word. They would not rhyme with each other. That's why they are called free verse. So this poem, The Plate of Gold, is written in the free verse, but it is having one story in that. So when there is a story, we enjoy the story. So this way we are going to study The Plate of Gold in the unit 3. That poem is written in the free verse. Okay. Now before learning that poem, we will be doing one exercise today. We are given one activity. A small poem is written here, and you will be enjoying this poem. See the little things, and there are some blanks in the poem. For example, you will find that second and fourth lines last word is blank. Same in the second stanza also. So you are going to use your brain to fill in the blanks to complete this poem's stanzas by filling your own mind's words, but those words should be rhyming with each other. For example, see, little drops of water, little grains of sand. Little grains of sand, what would say? Kal. Little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the pleasant land. So when there are so many plenty drops of water come together, little drops of water come together, we get mighty ocean. So little grains of sand comes together, we get pleasant land. Okay. So we have filled in the blanks. Second line, last word is little grains of sand, and last fourth line, last word and the pleasant land. So sand and land, these are rhyming words. So this way you have to find out rhyming words to fill in the blanks in this last word of second line and last word of the fourth line in each stanza. Now let us see the second stanza. Thus the little minutes, humble though they be, make the mighty ages of eternity. Okay, so be and eternity. So be and eternity, these are rhyming words. Okay, so when there are small minutes, okay, it means though the minutes or the time or the moments what we call, they are very small. When they come together, we get mighty ages. means big age, which is age of Gandhi, Gandhi's age, Tilak's age, Shivaji Maharaj era or age. So make them into ages of eternity. Eternity means the thing which remain for long time, forever. That's called eternal things. So eternity and be, these are the rhyming words here. The second line last word is be, be. And the fourth line's last word is eternity. Now let us see the third stanza of this poem. In the third stanza they have given thus the little minutes. Sorry, that is over I think. Now last stanza we'll see fourth stanza, or third stanza, sorry. Little deeds of kindness. Deeds means actions. What we do, the things, small things, these are called as deeds. So little deeds of kindness, little words of love. So when we are kind, from our mouth the words come with the love and affection for our family members and friends. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love make this earth an Eden. Eden. Now Eden has a long reference in the biblical, means in Bible there is a reference of the Eden garden. You might have listened the word Eden Garden is a cricket stadium in Kolkata. So Eden Garden was the most beautiful garden in the world, where the God or the Almighty has created this earth. He created first Eden Garden. In that Eden Garden, Adam and Eve they were living. So make this earth an Eden, means a beautiful place, happy place to live, like the heaven, like the heaven above. How the heaven is above? Heaven means Swarga. How the heaven is above, same way this Eden garden, our earth will become a kind of Eden garden or kind of a heaven on the earth when we do the actions of kindness and we use the words of love. Okay, so here love and above, these two are the rhyming words. Okay, so please complete this and write down these three stanzas in your notebook and get ready to learn the poem The Plate of Gold tomorrow. Okay, till that time take care. Now what do you get the message from this poem? This poem gives us message that don't neglect on the small things. We say na, when you want to go on a long journey, then you have to start with a single step. So every large work is done by the small tasks in the beginning. Even every war is being fought first in the mind. Okay, so when a long journey, we have to take the first step. So when you want to study also, want to become a great person in the life, then the small thing what you are going to do is do regular study. Okay, complete your task, ask questions to your teachers. Then you will become a great person in future, like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, like Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, like Dr. Vijay Bhatkar, Dr. Raghunath Mashirkar. So you can become a great person if you start with a good small deeds of kindness. Though it looks small today, you are going to get great fruits of it in future. Okay, so hope that you have enjoyed the warming up today, and tomorrow we are going to start with the poem The Plate of Gold. Thank you children, God bless you.